I think if the Chinese delegation shows up in Washington, then yes, we will get something by the end of the week. Concrete is kind of a strong word, but I think we are moving in the right direction. It's been, talked about and written about. This is classic Trump posturing, trying to get, exactly what he wants at the end of the deal. So it feels like we are still very close. The market is rebounding, like you said, again today. So Trump has a lot to lose. I mean, he's got, in the U.S., the jobs are looking good, inflation's looking good, a strong dollar, the stock market's been very strong. So he really has this China thing as the only outstanding piece to stack up in his favor. So I think he's got a lot of incentive to make sure this works out.
And you heard what Warren Buffett was just saying, that if there is an escalation in this trade war, if we perhaps don't get a deal, it is going to be bad for the world. We got a bit of a taste of how markets are going to react to that if, in fact, there is no deal. When, of course, we had the escalations yesterday and Chinese markets down by around about 7%. What's your outlook then for Asian markets as we, I guess, limp towards the finish line on this, bearing in mind that anything could still happen?
We're still constructive on Asian markets. Asia still is cheaper than the rest of the world relative to the U.S., relative to Europe. The price to book multiple in Asia is about 1.6 times. Yesterday was indeed a painful experience, no doubt about it. But I think we can probably expect a bit more volatility. We've had a fairly low volatility environment throughout this year. It's been one direction up. But overall, we still think there's more upside, and certainly if there's any sort of resolution around trade, then the market will love it, and we should see a very positive outcome for Asian equities.
Hey everybody, it's Hadley Gamble from our new CNBC Middle East Bureau in Abu Dhabi. Thanks for stopping by. Now to watch more, you can try one of the videos that just popped up on your screen, and don't forget to subscribe.